Today we got Huawei Y9 2018 not charging. Don't forget to remove the SIM card slot before you remove the back frame. There is no screws to remove this frame, you just need to detach the frame from the housing. The customer told us that the device stopped charging suddenly. We are going to open the device to check whether there is any liquid or any damaging to the charging port. From long using of this device, I barely can remove it or detach it. This is caused by dust and dirt, so we have to be patient to remove it. Be careful to the fingerprint flex cable. It's connected to the main board, to the frame, to the back frame. Just open it just like me. The fingerprint flex cable is under the shield. We need to remove all screws from the shield. Then we can remove the flex cable. So while you are trying to remove the shield, don't cut the flex cable. The shield is stuck. I don't know why. I don't want to make a force so something can goes wrong. So I'm doing this with caution. If you do any force, I'm positive that you will make something damaged. I'm telling this from an experience. Okay, it's removed. Unplug it. Then go to the bottom and start removing the screws. Then remove the loudspeaker. Unplug the flex cable, connect the sub to the main board. Then remove the antenna. Okay, this is the loudspeaker, not the other piece. The other piece is the shield. I thought they are all together. Hit the charging port so we can remove it easily. There's adhesive under it, so we need to make it soft, then we can remove it without any hard work. The customer asked for low price, so we are going just to replace the charging port. You can, if it's easy for you, you can just replace the charging board, the sub itself. Just order a new one and put it there and your problem should be gone. For some people who want to proceed with the repair, just stay still and see the full repair to the charging port. Put antique flux paste. I'm looking to see which one will fit to the charging port. Seems the one I choose, it's the best one. I have maybe 100 type of charging port. I'm always prefer to use the heat gun with the soldering iron. It's best to remove the charging port. So it's removed. Now we are going to remove the adhesive from the company. I used the knife after that because I want the adhesive to be soft with the heat. Put antique flux, use the soldering iron to solder the beds. Now bring the new one and solder the pins and get ready to put it in position. Heat the board for a few before you put the new one. Let's look on the pads if they are connected or not. Seems one is losing. It's the third one. I think it's the third one or the fourth one. So I'm going to put solder on all pads. It's important to make all the pads connected to the board. If they are moving, then this is a bad job. Every pad should be solid to the board. Okay, now they are all solid. Now we can assemble and test. Put back the shield and the loudspeaker and then put the screws back. Then you can test. Put the charger on. Wait a few seconds. Okay, the device is start charging. The problem has been solved. That was for today. The problem has been solved. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.